everybody, this is Rishima Jaju. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. Today I decided to make a dessert, something fancy but also with the warmth of your own comfort food. Oreo no bake cheesecake. You heard it right, it's no bake. So today I'm going to make cute little cupcake sized portions so that you don't end up fighting over the cheesecake like me and my siblings always do. Are you excited? Because I sure am, and I can't wait to get started with the recipe. So let's get started. The ingredients are chopped chocolate, Oreos and the cream which I've separated from them, some sugar, some butter, a lemon, some vanilla essence and some milk with a sieve. So for making the cream cheese, we are going to curdle the milk using lemon. So now we are going to wait till the milk comes to a boil. Until then, I am going to melt my chocolate in the microwave. I've washed it to clean it because of the lemon, so we don't want the sourness. I'm gonna mix it with the sugar and the Oreo cream. So this is our cream cheese, which is going to make a creamy cheesecake. I have crushed the Oreo cookies along with butter, and now we are going to assemble the Oreo cheesecake. Alright, so cheesecake is ready and it smells delicious. I just can't wait to take a bite. Now I am going to enjoy it, and if you want to enjoy it too, please try this recipe and comment, like, share and subscribe my videos. I'll be back with another recipe soon. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.